Here at Clogg Landscape Associates, we really pride ourselves on all the educational opportunities we give our employees. We have the most asca-c certified employees in the country. We have 48 right now. Another point of pride, we were the first company in the country to have level 400 and level 500 certified employees. Through CIMA, we have ASMs and CSP employees. For other snow training, we go to the MGIA Snow Show, which is the Michigan Green Industry Association. We go to the ASCA Executive Summits every year. Other educational opportunities we've done, we've sent about 20 of our employees to the MGIA Green Show. We've done Rainbird irrigation training, Site 1 training, Techo Block training. The classes we've done is Mastering Foremanship, Principles of Proper Grading, Turf Tactics. This is really cool. This is the first year we've had OSHA 10 certified employees, which is training for the construction industry, safety training. It's really great. And we've done Unilock contractor training.